The ARRMA V6 lineup is finally here. It's equipped with a bunch of awesome changes and EXP upgrades, so we're going to check it out in this video with the brand new Notorious V6. In the box, you'll find the typical Spectrum SLT3 3-channel transmitter with a set of AA batteries, a couple of cross wrenches along with some new hex drivers to work on the truck, a bag of diff shims, a sticker sheet, and the instruction manuals. The body for this Notorious got a nice little refresh for this V6 model. You can choose from a new World War II fighter paint scheme or the typical black version that now has a gloss finish on the front portion. Both bodies have updated decals throughout, along with a new clipless mounting system that's hidden in the front and rear to replace the old body clip tethers. Pressing down on the front of these spring-loaded tabs moves these little wires back and forth underneath, allowing them to capture and release the notched body posts. We also have a much beefier brace supporting the middle of the body that rests on the new center diff cover. The backflip tires on this truck are one of my favorites for bashing, and they're now vented through the tire itself instead of the wheel. ARRMA added a stronger wing mount and wheelie bar setup in the rear, which is nice because the old design would frequently break or pull screws out. I actually haven't bothered to replace the wing mount on my old V5 for that very reason. Same thing with the old front bumper. It was quite easy to break, so I'm happy to see that we now have a reinforced EXB front bumper that wraps underneath and acts as a skid plate. We also have a steel skid plate in the rear to protect this 7075 aluminum EXB chassis. Just underneath the body, there are some new side guards with debossed ARRMA logos, higher mud guards with vents, and even a small hole on one of them so you can easily access the set screw for your pinion gear. Another cool little detail is this new screw in the wire management clip. In older versions, you'd have to drill a hole yourself and loop a zip tie or something through in order to keep all of the wires tucked in. That brings us to the updated Spectrum Firma 150 amp V2 ESC. This is the gray version, and it has some updated firmware to provide even more power and control. It's hooked up to the same 2050 kV Spectrum motor, but the motor now has a 16-tooth pinion instead of a 12-tooth, so we should be seeing a higher top speed out of this truck. With a larger pinion, ARRMA added a cooling fan and heatsink setup from the factory to keep the motor cool. Steering this truck is a stronger Spectrum S665 steering servo that has a 25-tooth spline, making it much easier to upgrade servos. Not only is this servo stronger, they also added a new high torque dual spring servo saver to stiffen up the steering compared to the softer never lose servo saver in the V5. To hold the battery in, ARRMA added an HD strap that's insanely thick and seems like it'll hold up great. Instead of one big tower-to-tower brace, we now have a separate front and rear brace that both meet at that new center diff cover I mentioned earlier. In the front and rear of this truck, we have some blacked out wheel nuts, hexes, and EXB shocks that look super nice. The shocks are also mounted to the towers with larger EXB V2 upper standoffs. This truck has thicker EXB chassis braces, turnbuckles, and one-piece sway bar rod ends. The hub carriers were redesigned to accommodate larger bearings, double shear steering link mounts, and new pivot ball retainers up front that are now held on with 4 screws. The old locking hub nuts actually worked pretty well, but this new design should eliminate the possibility of them ever coming loose by themselves. ARRMA beefed up the drivetrain with EXB diffs that are very well greased and a limited slip differential. ARRMA even made the effort to seal the bottom of the diff housings by adding some gaskets. If you go back and watch my Notorious V5 review, ARRMA seems to have made all of the upgrades I was hoping for and then some. They really went all out with this V6, and I can't wait to see how it holds up. truck took a brutal hit to the front end from a failed landing and ended up cracking the body a bit and bending the left front shock shaft, unfortunately. I guess that's one way to break it in. The truck held up great beyond that and feels really good. I'm extremely impressed with this new V6 lineup and all of the changes ARRMA has incorporated for only $50 more than the V5. Let me know if you are planning to upgrade to the V6. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.